Question number 36 of test series 3 is from geotechnical engineering, from topic determination of index properties. Now in this question it is given that diameter of soil sample as 38 mm, height of soil sample as 76 mm, and wet weight is equal to 1.15 Newton and dry weight as 0.5 Newton and specific gravity as 2.7, and we have to find what is degree of saturation. Now it is clear that weight of water will be wet weight minus dry weight, so that will be 1.15 minus 0.5, which comes out as 0.65 Newton. Therefore if we talk about water content, that will be weight of water is to weight of soil or dry soil. So water content is equal to 0.65 divided by 0.5, which comes out as 130% when expressed in percentage. Volume of sample is pi into d square by 4 multiplied by h. So after substitution we have pi, d is given as 38 square divided by 4 into height equal to 76, which comes out as 86.2 into 10 to the power 3 mm cube. Now let's talk about volume of soil. That will be weight of dry soil divided by specific gravity into 10 to the power minus 5 for relevant conversion into suitable units. So that comes out as 18.5 into 10 to the power 3 mm cube, and volume of voids will be total volume minus volume of soil, which comes out as 67 minus 67.7 into 10 to the power 3 mm cube, that is 86.2 minus 18.5 into 10 to the power 3, which is 67.7. So volume of water will be water content multiplied by weight of soil multiplied by gamma W, because water content is nothing but it is weight of water is to weight of soil into gamma W will give me weight of water into gamma W, hence it is equal to volume of water. So after substitution we know W is equal to 1.30 multiplied by Ws is weight of soil, which is 0.5, and gamma W is given as 10 kilonewton per meter cube. You can also take this value as 9.81 kilonewton per meter cube, which comes out as 65 into 10 to the power 3 mm cube. Therefore degree of saturation, which is defined as weight of water is to volume of water is to volume of voids, that comes out as 96%, making A is the correct answer. This question number 36 was an excellent one to cover all the aspects how to calculate one index property from another. So students are advised to go through this solution very carefully.